Portis Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my Portis Wallet Full Review. Links to the wallet and related resources can be found in the description below. Portis Wallet is a user-friendly, web-based crypto wallet designed for seamless integration with decentralized applications, DApps. Its unique focus on simplicity and accessibility makes it a standout choice for beginners and those who value ease of use when interacting with the blockchain ecosystem. One of the defining features of Portis Wallet is its browser-native functionality. Unlike other wallets requiring extensions or downloads, Portis works directly within a web browser. Users can sign in with an email and password, eliminating the technical barriers often associated with traditional wallets. It supports multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, along with tokens on these networks, making it versatile for managing a range of assets. Portis is especially popular among DApp users as it offers seamless integration with a wide array of decentralized applications. Whether you're exploring DeFi platforms, engaging with NFTs, or participating in blockchain gaming, Portis simplifies the user experience by eliminating the need for complicated setups or multiple accounts. Security is another key consideration. Portis encrypts private keys locally on the user's device before sending them to its servers, striking a balance between accessibility and safety. However, because it is a web-based wallet, users should be cautious with device and account security, as it doesn't offer the same level of protection as hardware wallets. A notable strength of Portis Wallet is its onboarding process. Its straightforward interface and simple login method make it ideal for onboarding new users to Web3, including those with minimal technical knowledge. However, the wallet's reliance on centralized servers to manage encrypted keys may be a drawback for users seeking full decentralization. Additionally, while Portis supports multiple chains, its feature set is relatively basic, lacking advanced tools like staking or direct hardware wallet compatibility. In summary, Portis Wallet is a solid choice for anyone new to blockchain or looking for an easy-to-use solution for interacting with dApps. While it may not satisfy the needs of advanced users or those prioritizing maximum security, it excels in delivering a straightforward, accessible experience for crypto management and Web3 engagement.